about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your rock, I disappear.
What's going on, guys? It's Logan back with another informative video for you today. What we have is a how-to instructional video on a rowing machine. Now, a rowing machine is something that works your cardiovascular system, or basically the ability to provide oxygen and blood throughout your entire body. And this is a really good piece of equipment that'll give you some leg work, some arm work, but again, it's a good piece for that cardio as well. So a lot of people, when I see this at the gym, they're using this improperly. So I wanted to make a really quick video on just how to use it properly. It's very, very simple to use it. And once you do know how to use it properly, it'll give you a really, really good workout and make you a little more efficient. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so before you even get on the rowing machine, what you're gonna need to do is kind of set this foot thing up at the proper angle. And basically what you wanna do, you wanna have the strap kind of going across the middle of your foot, if not a little bit higher than the middle of your foot. So to adjust it, you'll just either, I don't even know how to adjust mine, but basically on the Concept 2 rowers, you're able to pull this down a little bit so your foot will be sliding up and down. You want your foot to almost be in the middle of this. If not, this bar is going to be a little bit higher. All right, so once your foot straps are in that proper setting like I just showed you, you are simply going to reach down, grab the rowing handle, and then this is where it gets complex. You'll see a lot of people pushing with their legs and then doing this weird thing like this. Some people just do their arms and don't use their legs at all. When you're doing this exercise, it's a leg, arm, core, everything workout, and you'll feel it in your heart quite a bit too. So the easiest way I like to describe this to people is doing legs, arms, arms, legs. And what that simply means is that you're going to push with your legs first, lock your legs out, pull with your arms until the bar gets about at your chest, a little bit below your chest level, and then to bring it back in, you're going to do arms, legs. So that's kind of where that comes from. So legs, arms, arms, legs, legs, arms, arms, legs, legs, arms. So I'm not going to get it going too much, but as you can see there, as you get that legs, arms, arms, legs strategy going, you'll able to go quicker. You'll be able to kind of get in the flow of things a little bit more. And it makes it really, really less complicated when it comes to thinking, oh, what do I do with my arms? What do I do with my legs? You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just legs first, arms second, arms coming in first when you come back, and then legs first. Another good thing to mention is when you're pushing through this, you want to make sure you're having equal pressure through the foot pads. That's a really big thing. Don't be too much on your toes. Don't be too much on your heels. Try to have equal pressure on your feet. And then also when you're coming back in to the handle, you don't want to go all the way down into like a full squatting position. You're basically going to bend your knees kind of in a half squat position. So this is as far forward as you should go. You're a lot more powerful in this way, and you're able to kind of come back hard. So those are just a few of those key tips and kind of what you want to do. So hopefully you enjoyed this little informative video on how to get in the rowing machine, how to do it, and hopefully it gives you a little bit better of a workout next time you're in the gym. You'll also probably notice some other individuals who are just starting out who might have some of the errors that we talked about. So go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below. I'll make sure to catch you in that next video.
I'm out of it, to tell me you're no good.